Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is going to be day 11 working on the 74 F250 pickup. Yesterday I cut out the cab corner, welded in the patch, gobbed on a bunch of Duraglass, and today I'm going to sand that smooth. Time to get to work. I'm going to knock it down with 80 grit paper and a DA. This should smooth it out, then I can go from there. I'm gonna have to go close the door. My air compressor is making a lot of racket. Hopefully you can hear me. This is sanding quick. You can see that's where the weld is. So I want to stay down here and get to where I start touching metal through here, and the same down at the bottom. That way I know where the metal is and where I can and cannot fill. So I'm going to go turn my air compressor off, or shut the door, I mean, and then get back to work. Okay, the passenger side next. It's going to be the same thing, different side. Got both sides initially sanded. I blew it off with compressed air, took acetone, wiped it down. Now both sides are ready for another thin coat of filler, and then sanding on and on. That's the way it goes. truck in the garage so that we can pull the bed off it. The bed is just sitting on there right now. It's not attached at all. Yeah, it looks like drive out.
Just tilt it up a little bit just in case I rub them tires.
Okay.
Push it up on the bar there.
All right, just drive her on out.
Hook the gas back up. I don't know how I'm gonna do this now. I got no bed.
Oh, you put it in the cab, huh?
I guess so. Now you want to hold it here real quick and walk with it. I don't know. Whatever.
I can.
I'll be in first gear, so I'm not going with that. Back under it?
Yes, sir.
Get my pallets out.
Well, that went pretty easy. Now he's going to back the trailer in. We're going to set the bed in the trailer. I don't think I'm going to record all that because I'm going to help him guide it in. But today the beds are going to go to the rust doctor and get the coating put on the inside. Looking good.
Not gonna fit, is it?
Well,
Oh, it's gonna fit, it's gotta put it on taller pallets. So I can't let these rub on the rails on it.
No, it's gonna have to get up because you want the.
Yeah, I need more pallets.
And then the trailer needs. Can we just slide the trailer over?
Yeah, me and you probably can.
Yeah.
I can probably pull it. It's straight. I pull up straight and out better. I get better straight.
All right. I know snowmobile trailers, you just give them a yank and they slide. So.
Hold on, Dan.
I've got to go this way. Driver's side more. Alright, we're gonna need more pallets.
Yeah.
It's okay. Okay, we're gonna add a couple more straps, corner to corner, keep it from shifting. Burp. Okay, now the highboy truck is backed into the garage and I can finish sanding down the corners of the cab. Box is gone. It's on its way to get coated. So that's going to be the end of day 11 working on the 74 F250. Thanks for watching Dan's Messy Garage. Stay tuned for part 12. Bye.